Linda from the Moore Public Library, and I'm going to be doing a series of 2 videos today on different ways that you can clean your bathroom, keep it very disinfected, and do it more economically than if you bought the brand names off the shelf in the stores. So the first product that we're going to talk about today is hydrogen peroxide. This is a very safe product to use for personal care as well as home care. It's an excellent germ killer, so it's a great choice for the bathroom. But one thing about it is you must remember to never mix this with vinegar or ammonia or chlorine bleach because toxic fumes could develop. So the first way that you could use this in cleaning your bathroom is simply to put it full strength into a spray bottle and spray your mirrors, your chrome, your countertops, your sink, and then wipe them dry. And instead of using expensive paper towels, you might try using newspapers, paper bags, or even coffee filters. Another thing that you can do in this age of we don't want germs is to clean your toothbrushes. If you will just simply take a container, put your toothbrush in here. If you have retainers and mouth guards, also put them in there. Fill the glass or whatever you're putting them in with hydrogen peroxide. Let them set 10 minutes. Then take them out, rinse them. They are totally disinfected and good for the next use. Another way that you can use hydrogen peroxide is simply to whiten the walls in your shower. Spray down the dry walls. Wait 5 to 10, well actually 10 to 15 minutes is a better suggestion. And then after that you can rinse them and then wipe them down. I usually use a sponge with a scrubby on the back that in case there's some buildup, it easily comes off. To remedy that, again, spray hydrogen peroxide full strength on the soap scum, and then you can use, after a 10-minute wait, you can use a plastic putty knife and scrape off all of the soap scum that's built up in your shower. It comes off wonderfully. But if you have mold buildup on the grout, then simply take your cotton beauty coil that you can get at any beauty supply store, probably Walmart, Target, Amazon.com, and soak the whole thing in straight hydrogen peroxide, then take it out and lay it along the edges where the caulking is. Leave it overnight, and then in the morning, when you take it off, your mold is gone. And the last idea is the floor cleaner. For the floor cleaner, you're going to use 1.5 cups of hydrogen peroxide, and then it calls for 1/2 cup of lemon juice and 12 cups of water. And you simply mix this together, fill a different spray bottle, not the one that already has hydrogen peroxide in it, and spray your floors and then mop as you normally would. It will store for several months, but the book that I read it in cautioned that you use a glass container instead of a plastic container because the plastic has chemicals that will leach into the cleaning solution. And if you'd like more ideas or just enjoy reading about how to clean a bathroom, clean your house, and make it easier, less expensive, and perhaps even fun, come join us at the library. Ask us where these books are found. Check out 1 or 2 and find your own house cleaning hints.